Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to continue our Java and files. Yesterday last video I said that what we have did in and everything is available here. So if you have not watched, please go and watch, okay, and see how we are saving our file at particular location and what are the things we have did implementation. Okay, and let me tell you again, these are not the common videos, normal videos, these are the live task part. Okay, so in live task we are going to do these things, so please do practical of this video in your system and then continue for this second video. Okay, so let me continue. Okay, so if you have did practical, those who have watched this video already, and if you have did the practical, what we did, we were just creating a file, okay, at particular location with the particular name, and name is our I will show you the name once again to you. Okay, let's come to directory, desktop, no, this PC, then F. You can see my files here, 1 2 3. Inside 1 2 3 we were creating the files. Okay, so let's discuss this one. Yes, last time what you see, we see that we are creating a .csv file with the name of this one. Okay, this we use brand type to differentiate the file. If you will change DOI or something else we write, it will change the file name. Okay, and it will create new file. So you can see one thing I want to show you. If you have did the practical, if you have not done, then again do the practical. I will tell you, it's very important and it's informative. You can see the time here, 14th December 2020, and it's a 12:31 timing. Now timing is the 15th December, okay, 2020, and its timings 13:04. Okay, and your last file name is 123C. Okay, see here I have write here 123C, that brand code, and the brand type will be C. So this is going to develop. Let me again run this, okay, and check the output. So if I am running this one, Java application, okay, and see what we are getting. We are getting that file location is this one, and file name is 123c.csv. okay, and timing is 1:05. Let me check in my directory. Okay, so here file is 14th December only, and today is the 15th December. Timing is 12:31. So it means we are not generating any new file. All right, so if we are not generating any new file, we should get some information like a file already exists or not generating file, something else like this. So what we will do for this one, let's code for that. Okay, so I will write here if okay, result, sorry, because what I want to say now, if already file exists, we should get some messages like file already exists, please create new file, or something else. Okay, file already exists or not. If file is creating new file, so we need to get message that yes, file is created, like this something. Okay, so we will write here if condition. Okay, if our result is true, if result is true means sys out. Okay, and I will print here file created successfully, file created. Okay, sorry, it's a file sys out. Okay, and file created successfully. Okay, that's also enough, file created. Okay, and then if file is not created, then also we need some message now. So I will write here sys out, control shift, okay, and please create, file already exists. Okay, already done, file already exists. Means if we are creating any new file and file is already available, it will give file already exists, otherwise it will create the file and give the message. Okay, so let's see, save this one and run this one. Okay, Java application. So see here, file already exists, it's giving us message, this file is already exist. Okay, so I will change here D. Okay, then again save and run. Okay, run as Java application. So file created and new file name is came here, file already created, and we can check in our directory also, see 123d.csv file is already means now created. Okay, so till now you understand that how to create a file, and if we are getting already existing file, so how we will get the message. If we are creating new file, then what message we will get. But if you notice one thing, every time we cannot change the file. Okay, we cannot change the name every time. Like this is think this is application, and you cannot go to the code and change the name and then you will generate the file. To make it dynamic or something different, okay, what will you do? You will make something like whenever file will create, automatic a new name will come with file, means something automatic, some changes will come. So you can get the idea that you can get a new file every time, no need to get every time message that file already exists or not, something else. Okay, so what will you do for this one? So just pause the screen and think by yourself what we can do to get new file every time, and no need to change that cd av like we changed last time. So no need to change these things. What we can do? Pause the screen and think, otherwise I will tell. So okay, I hope you have understand what we have to do, and let me tell you what we can do. Think time is changing every minute, every second time is changing. So if we will combine if we will add the time, current time with the file name, so we can get the every time new name of the file. Okay, see, this minute will pass, this second will pass, then new second will come, and again new name will come. So that second if I will include with my file name, so we can get every time a new file. Okay, so what we can do for this one, let's do. Okay, so we can use date formatter. Okay, and how we can use this one, date formatter, what we can do for this one, let's check that one. So I will take here date time formatter, date, okay, time, and formatter I will write DTF. Why I am making this? Because I have did these things practically, and I have used these things to creating new files every time. Okay, see, you are developers, so you can create a new file, okay, by changing the code. But those who are not developer, what they will do? So you have to make your code something like this, so no need to change everything statically, everything will work dynamically. Okay, so I will write here DTF, date time formatter. Okay, just take this one here itself, date time formatter. Okay, and then I will write dot of pattern, which type of pattern I want in our name. Okay, so I will write here dot pattern, and I will say write something like year, month, date, and everything. Okay, so I will put here double quote, close by semicolon. Okay, I will write here which type I want. I want year. Okay, I want year, then I want month, then I want day, after that I want hour, then minute, and then second. It's your wish how you want to write here, or you want to something else, you can change by yourself. I am writing timing because time is getting every second, it's getting changed. Okay, that's why I am writing in this way. Okay, now this one done. So which type of timing I want, because as per standard meridian, time will change for every places. Okay, so I want local date time. Clear? I will use here local date time. Now I will give the now, because now time, current time I want, so I have given now here. Then local date time. Okay, copy, then I will add local date time dot now. Okay, done. So I have to include this one now value. Okay, I have to include this one in my file name. Understand? I think you understand till now what we have to do. So for this, what I will do, okay, I will write here after brand type, I will just write here underscore colon. So we can differentiate this one. This is our file name, and this is our what? This is our time. Okay, to understanding purpose I am just writing this. Okay, colon. Okay, colon not required, just type here plus sign, and I will just call my time here. Okay, so how to do this one? DTF dot format. Okay, and now Understand? Okay, now save it. So let's understand what we did here. We just write here a datetime formatter. Okay, I just give the pattern also, which type of pattern I want, and after that I just took the local datetime, because where we are running, as per that location, that time it will give the datetime format. Okay, and I include that time formatter in my file name. Okay, so every time we will get a new file. Whenever we will run, no need to change this one, like a string, brand name, brand type, no need to change every time. Directly you can get this one. So if I will run this one and see what the output I am getting. Okay, run as Java application. Okay, so see here, if you will see 1 2 3D, and we are getting this one. This is time, today's time now. Okay, 2022, this is 13. Okay, this is 15, sorry, 2022. Okay, and you can just consider this one, the 1501 and something else, like it's giving the information as per the current time location. Okay, okay, so now check the file also, is file generating as per this. So here file is generating, and this time I don't need to change every time df and everything. You can see the practical once again I will run, and in fact I don't require this one also now. Okay, this is our brand type, so brand type we don't require now. If I will comment this one also, and I will just remove this one. Okay, save this and see, just run this one, run as Java application. Okay, and see here we are getting our everything, like my files 123 colon 200 this name, and every time we will get the new file, no need to change everything. See here, we can see that we have got here, and we have removed ABCD, so we don't require this one, and we don't need to change every time. It's working dynamically. Just run the program and new file generate, run the program and new file will generate. So we don't need this code also. So if you wish, you can comment these things, otherwise not a problem. File is created, I will make this one in comment, it's not a problem. If you wish, you can keep it, but I don't require, I think, because I have make it dynamically, and file created, we are getting every time messages. If in case you are removing DTF, so you can use this line, so I have keep it in comment format. Okay, so just run again and check your result. It's getting, again it's getting, last you can see 523. Again I will run, again I will check Java application. Okay, and see 532 1532. I can check now. See here, we are getting as per our run. Whenever we are running, we are getting the new files. Okay, so now you understand how to make I have to generate a file in your location dynamically. No need to change every time your code. Just you can make API like this. API we will do later on. Sorry, we can write your program in that way. So no need to change every time file name. It will generate every time a new file. Okay, with new name. That file will be always unique. Why it's unique? Because we have used here DTF, that datetime formatter, and datetime formatter will always give you a response like a unique file name. Okay, so it's very useful and very important concept for live projects. So keep in mind, do practice and stay tuned with me, and you will get more and more information. Later on videos I will create some more videos related to this, and this series is going to continue. So please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.